Welcome to a Milak Online tutorial. Before us is this question that says that two nuclear equations are given below. Now here is the first equation, and here is the second equation. Now this radioactive nuclide, after this integration, this is the resulting nuclide. Now this, after the integration, this is the resulting nuclide. Now the question is, determine the value from figure 1, P and Q, from figure 2, M and N. Alright, for number 1 here we have P, and here we have Q. For the equation 2, here we have M and N. So how do we get these values? Now let us know that the total mass number here before integration must be equal to the total mass number afterward integration. Now the total number of proton before integration must be equal to the total number of proton after integration. Now the same thing also applies in the two equations. So how do we get this? Now if the total number of equation here the total number of nuclide here must be equal to the total number of the sum of the nuclide here, then it means for this one here we have that 222 equals 218 plus Q. So what do we need to do here? We just subtract 280 from both sides. This minus 218, and here was minus 218. So this will give us 0. Then here, what we need to do here, we have 12, this is 4. Then this is 11. Okay, this is 1, rather you have 0. So here you have 4. Okay, so Q here is what? 4. Then for P, here we have that P now equals 84. 84 plus what? 2, and this will give us 86. Okay, now for the next one here, this must be equal to this. So here we have 214 equals 214 plus M. So in this case, let us make this the subject of relation, or we'll subtract 214 from both sides. So minus 214 minus 214. Here we have 0, here we have 0. So our M here equals what? 0. Okay, for this, we come over here, we can see 83 here equals 84 plus what? N. So what we need to do here, subtract 84 from both sides. 84 here minus 84 here. So here we have 0, and here we have minus 1. So our N equals what? Minus 1. So we've gotten the value of P to be 86, we've gotten the value of Q to be 4, and we've gotten the value of N to be minus 1. Okay, and our M equals what? 0. So here we can see P equals to 86, then our Q equals to 4, then our M equals to 0, and our N equals to minus 1. Alright, that's the final solution to the problem. Alright, thank you. And if you're just watching me, please can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all of my videos in chemistry, physics, and mathematics. Thank you, and God bless you.